2019 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, lane departure warning, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, cruise control, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, climate control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.